Good morning, kids. So today we're working on Reader's Notebook Lesson 8, pages 91 and 92. And we're talking about conjunctions today. And in the team's assignment, I included a video that teaches you about conjunctions. So if you have not already watched the conjunctions video first, go ahead and pause this one, watch the video on conjunctions, and then come back to this lesson and you will have a little bit better of a grasp on conjunctions. So watch the conjunction video first and then come back to this. If you're ready and you've completed the conjunctions video, let's go ahead and get started with our Reader's Notebook pages 91 and 92. In page 91, today we're going to be using the conjunctions and, but, and or. And those are the three conjunctions we'll be working with. It says conjunctions are words that connect other words or groups of words in a sentence. The words and, but, and or are coordinating conjunctions. And joins things together. But shows contrast. Or shows choice. So when you are thinking about these conjunctions, you have to think what the word's function is to connect other words or groups of words in a sentence. So is it trying to show us that we're joining two things together by using the word and? Is it trying to show us contrast by using but? Or is it trying to show us choice by using the word or? Here's an example conjunction. Alligators use their tails and feet to dig holes in the shore. And so the conjunction there is the word and in the sentence, and you can see right here it's the word and. And that is telling us that it's joining together. The alligators use tails and feet. It's joining tails and feet, telling us what's being used together in conjunction, what's being worked with or used together. Numbers 1 through 5, it says, underline the conjunction in each sentence. Tell whether it connects subjects, predicates, direct objects, or sentences. Well, we've gone through this year multiple times the subject of a sentence, who or what it's about. Predicates, what's happening, what's being done. Okay, direct objects, who it's being done to. Okay, or if it's connecting two separate sentences. So number 1 reads, soon the animals will need to migrate or they will die. Well, in this sentence, the conjunction is the word or. So we can go ahead and underline the word or in this sentence. And we can see that soon the animals will need to migrate is a complete sentence. They will die is also a complete sentence. So this is connecting two separate sentences. And so we can say sentences on the line. sentences. Number 2 says, the mangrove trees have special roots and bark. Well, our conjunction in that sentence is the word and. And here we're connecting two direct objects. And those two direct objects are the roots and bark. And those direct objects are what the mangrove tree has. The mangrove tree has what? Roots and bark. And so in our second one, we have direct objects we're connecting. Direct objects. Number 3 reads, lichen spreads on the tree but does not kill it. And so our conjunction in this sentence is the word but. Okay, it's connecting two things. Lichen spreads on the tree, but it does not kill it. And so here is where we have the predicate of a sentence. So it's joining together the predicates, okay, spreads, but does not kill. And so you're going to write predicates on the line. Predicates. Number 4 says, marlberry bushes and cabbage palms cover the land. And here we have the conjunction and. Marlberry bushes and cabbage palms cover the land. Well, the subject of the sentence is marlberry bushes and cabbage palms. So it's connecting two subjects. And so we are going to write the word subjects on the line. subjects. Number 5 reads, the heron caught the fish, but the egret stole it. And so I want you to think about this one. Find the conjunction and tell me what is it connecting. Numbers 6 through 10, it says write the conjunction that best performs the function shown in parentheses. So number 6 reads, crocodiles quietly watch blank, wait for their prey. So what joins together? Okay, well, we know if we go up here and figure out what joins together, Okay, we know it's the word and because and joins together. So number 6, you're going to write the word and on the line. Number 7, it says a hawk dove into the river. Blank did not catch the fish. Shows contrast. Well, if we go to the top and we look, what conjunction shows contrast? It's the word but. But shows contrast. And so you're going to write but on the line, B-U-T. And you're going to finish 8, 9, and 10 on your own. Remember that and, if you look up at the top here, and joins together, but shows contrast, and or shows choice. So look at the words in parentheses, find out what it's asking you for, and write the correct conjunction on the line. You can go ahead and pause and finish numbers 5, 8, 9, and 10 on your own, and then you can hit play again when you're ready. As we look at page 92, page 92 is conjunctions in compound sentences. When two complete sentences are joined using a comma and a conjunction, they form a compound sentence. If the sentences are related to the same subject or a similar idea, you'll use the conjunction and. If they present contrasting ideas, you're going to use the conjunctions either but or. We have 3 example sentences here using those conjunctions. The first one reads, I am interested in conservation, comma, but I have never studied it before. The second one reads, I am interested in conservation, comma, and I hope to study it in college. And the third one reads, I will study conservation, comma, or I will pursue botany. Remember, the comma comes before the conjunction you choose. The activities for numbers 1 through 5, it says form compound sentences using a comma and a conjunction. Write your new sentence on the line. This is one of the few times where you actually are going to have to write out your sentences. The first one says, Dad and I toured the Everglades. My sister visited the museum. Well, here, Dad and I are touring the Everglades while the sister visits the museum. Well, those are contrasting things, right? They're not both doing the same thing. So we're going to have contrasting. So in this one, you're going to have to choose either but or to connect those and create a compound sentence. For this one, I'm going to choose the conjunction but because they are not connected. Dad and I toured the Everglades, but my sister visited the museum. I chose the conjunction but, and you can see I also added in a comma before but. You can go ahead and complete this page 2 through 5 on your own, and when you're finished, make sure you take pictures of both pages, attach them to your assignment, and turn them in on Teams. Thank you.